Hello everybody, welcome back to EJ's Trims. Today we are going to be reviewing the 2023 Lionel catalog. So first I want to show you this bridge. Me and my dad made this bridge. Video coming soon. We are going to be revealing this and another bridge that we are building. And so let's get started. Okay. So, let's start by opening up to the first page. Right here, if you did not do it, you can win a free Visionline Big Boy. Nice Visionline. Now, these are very nice Visionline Big Boys. Probably my favorite would have to be 4012. Because that's the one closest to me that we actually went to see today. So, let's flip the page. Now, some people might want to get the set, but I kind of don't recommend that. It is going to be very expensive. Now, what I wish this engine did have was I wish it had cylinder steam. Now, if it does have cylinder steam next year and has all the features, we might be thinking about getting one. Some more boxcars, like that UP one. Some other Visionline stock cars. That's cool. Now, some people are definitely going to be probably getting this. This is the New York Central Dreyfuss Hudson. One of my favorite features on this engine is how it has the water scoop under the tender. Okay, so let's flip the page. Now, the one I think is probably going to be most popular out of all the Dreyfuss Hudsons is probably this one because it has the engine that is matching to the cars. Now, those cars are okay, but I'm not sure if they have glass windows in them. But if they do, that's pretty cool. Now, out of all these, I kind of like this one. I have no clue why, but I do. Now, these are nice, very nice actually. My favorite is probably that one. Now, there is something on this page that we're pretty sure we're getting. This Santa Fe Blue Goose engine. This is a very nice engine. The big boy over here, right here, is 32 inches long. This is a whopping 31 inches, almost matching that big boy, which I love the paint scheme, and I don't have a Santa Fe steam engine in my collection, so that would probably be very cool to get. So here are some nice engines. Now, if you want a Camelback for a little bit cheaper price, if you go back like 2 years ago, they have some really good engines that are probably a little bit cheaper. Now, here are some engines that you probably don't see every day, especially this one right here. This is a New York Central engine. I have never personally seen this engine. I think it is very cool looking. So, this engine, I believe these cars go to... So right here is a nice engine. I have never seen this engine actually. This is a Armando Dean California and Western. Pretty cool engine. Now, I like one engine out of all of these. Can you guess what it is? Yep, you guessed it. It is this Ford BNSF engine right here. It is very nice. I am definitely looking at it, and that might be a maybe on our to-get list. Now, here are some very nice engines. I particularly like this Great Northern and this Burlington Northern. Now, I kind of like the one that Eric Trains came out with, so maybe I might get that one. Now, that is a very nice engine, and I kind of like it. Here are some engines, and also this Kyle right here, I've never heard of the name Kyle. Now, here I don't understand. Why don't they put the Camelback set with the Legacy steam engines? It doesn't make much sense, but it's a very nice set. Now, this I think is going to be a nice set. It has these cars which I think glow, which I think is pretty cool. Yes, the Iron Hippo set. Now, I have seen something like this before, just not an Iron Hippo. So here is another Legacy steam engine and this Independence Legacy engine. Now here are some cars. Some more box cars. Some nice cabooses. I've never seen what they did on the cabooses where they have these pillars sticking up and like getting electricity or something. I'm not really 100% sure what they're doing, but I think that's cool. Now we got some of the coal cars, and I'm not really sure what those are. Flat cars, okay. Never seen those before. Now we're going into the Lion Chief engines. More Lion Chief stuff. Ooh, so here we are. Now, here is the Lion Chief 2.0, Lion Chief Plus 2.0. I think these are okay. I like a few of the sets back there more, but these are okay. So here is some like engines I believe that are like subway engines. I'm not 100% sure, but yes. Now here is one of the engines we're definitely getting. We are getting this 100 Years of Wonder Lion Chief Bluetooth set. There's no doubt about it, we're definitely getting this. And we might also be getting this Goofy car right here. He is my favorite Disney character, so when I saw this car, I thought it was really cool. Now right here, this is funny because a long time ago, they came out with this, and now it's back. It's just really cool. Now this, I think, is a very cool set. It's called the Willy Wonka set. I thought it was Willy Wonka Express, but I got it. I guess it's Willy Wonka, yeah. Now we got this diesel freight set here with a double stacker car. Got this Lion Chief 2.0 set engine right here. Now I've seen one of these, and I believe this is another one of a Lion Chief Lionel Lions one they did, but this one is New York Central. So I believe this is the same engine, just New York Central. Now, I love this engine here. This is the Gold Mountain Lion Chief set. It has 2 passenger cars and a flat car with some like a tarp over it. So that's cool. Now this is one of the items on our for sure list too. This is a Texas Special Lion Chief set. Very nice. We have one of the versions downstairs, which you might have seen in one of our videos, the Polar Express diesel set. This supposedly is the same exact thing, looks exactly the same, and the cars look exactly the same. So who knows, it might be the same mold. So here we got the bonnet, I believe. Yes, the Super Chief Santa Fe set here and the Union Pacific set. I have a variation of this. If you have seen it before, I believe we have ran it on the channel. If not, that will be running soon. So here is some Lion Chief engines. Now there is an engine in the back that kind of resembles this. I thought it was funny. I just noticed how they put this in there. That's really cool. Now, these are like little rail cars or something. Not really 100% sure what they are, but those are pretty cool. Now, I love the Hogwarts Express. Do not have one yet, but looking to get one day. Some Budweiser cars to go with the engines like they do every year. The Area 51 set. We were actually looking for the Area 51 set, so we might be getting that. Some box cars. Some like box cars and double stackers and cabooses and stuff. Now, if you've seen before, I pointed out a Lion Chief engine. You see this? This is huge. So here's another one of those engines that looks like a subway. Right here it is, the North Pole Central Legacy E8AA set. Now, I think this is going to be an awesome engine. Not sure if we're getting it or not, but probably not, but it's awesome. Now, I believe they do a lot of engines with this mold. Like, it's very cool, but I think they should change it up just a little bit. Some cars. Now we're looking to maybe get this hot cocoa caboose with like a deck or something. I might be getting this because it's very cool looking. And back here we got some buildings and signs and such. And that is it. Now I would like to show you guys something. In this 22 Volume 2 catalog, there is an engine that we ordered. I'll give you a little sneak peek before it gets home. It is a Union Pacific Heritage unit, the MGT, the Katie. as you might have seen, I have a lot, or some Katy cars. I wanted to get an engine, so last year when the Katy came out in this catalog, I was like, I kind of need one. So, video coming soon on the bridges. Until then, this is goodbye from EJ's Trains.